I'm Angela with Recrea Health and Wellness. I want to talk to you about male and female hormone replacement. So we actually started using a program, it's called BioT. What we use is plant-based and it is 100% bio-identical. So your body recognizes it as its own, and this goes for men and women. I want to optimize your health. I don't want to just tell you it's normal. There's ways to optimize it without traditional medications. So most women over the age of 30, your testosterone level is under 12. We want to be about 150 to 250. Guys over 30, 40 are typically anywhere from about 150 to 300, maybe 400 if they're lucky. And they should be 1100 to 1400. So this program is unbelievable. It's customized for you individually. You come in, you fill out a questionnaire, we get your blood work. I take information from both of those, your labs and the questionnaire. I put that in a program and it gives me a customized level for you specifically. We offer that free consult. At least just come in and get the blood work. What's that going to hurt? And then we go over that with you, and that's what's great about us. So just come in and check us out.